Good evening, family. Y'all know what time it is, baby. It's that Wild West Cryptoland time. We're about to dive into some Doge and overall crypto market news. None of this is ever financial advice. It's just me sharing my thoughts and opinions. Nothing more, nothing less. Hopefully, you guys had a wonderfully blessed Saturday. Most importantly, a safe Saturday. Without further ado, if you guys are ready to see what's going on in the Wild West of Cryptoland, without further ado, well, let's get it, baby. All right, guys. Bitcoin is down 0.3% for the day. We're sitting at 42,952 with 71 cents. Now, obviously, guys, when good old Grandpa Bitcoin is red, what are we more than likely going to see in the markets? Red, right? What do we see? Well, it's kind of mixed, guys. There's red and green, right? There's not more red than green, and there's not more green than red. It kind of seems like it's kind of 50-50, which is pretty good, right? Obviously, some coins are consolidating and some are pumping. For example, we have Phantom up 8%, Algorand up 2%. What else? Cosmos up 9%. I got a big bag of Cosmos. I love me some Cosmos, guys. What else? We have FTX token, Decentraland. You know what I mean, guys? So there's quite a bit of tokens that are in the green. So things are looking, you know what I mean, not too bad and not too good. All right, enough of Bitcoin. We'll dive into some Bitcoin news here in a tad bit. Now let's dive into the Dogecoin. We are number 11, baby. We are sitting at 17 cents. We're down 3.7%. Obviously, guys, Bitcoin. Dogecoin is consolidating. We've got a little healthy pullback going on, right? Now, our market cap, our 24-hour low rather is sitting at 17 cents, and our 24-hour high was at 18 cents, guys. Our market cap is sitting at $23.4 billion, and our volume, guys, is at basically $1 billion. Now, our volume, guys, has gone down 63.4% in the last 24 hours, which is roughly about $1.9 billion, right? So it is still the weekend, and that tends to happen during the weekend. All right, enough of the stats. Now let's dive into the charts before we get into some news. All right, guys. Now I know I've been showing you guys this 4-hourly time frame, right? Because to me, it's very, very important, and it gives some clues and a hint into what could possibly happen with the price of Doge. Now, I did some research, and I looked on the 4-hourly time, and I went all the way back to January 2021, and I was starting to look and to see how many times or how long had we stayed above this average here, which is the 180-day moving average. Now, the longest we ever stayed above, guys, was 53 days. Now, can you guys guess when that was? That was in the beginning of the year when we had that major run up to hit our all-time highs of the 74 cents. So from the beginning of January to the end of excuse me, to the end of February, right, was the longest we ever stayed above it. So granted, I will say this, we've spent more time below this moving average than we have above, guys. So that's not good if we dip below it. The reason why I'm pointing this out, guys, is because obviously we have right here, right, we on the 13th, we broke above this moving average, and the last time we had broke above it was in November. So it's been over two plus months that we have broke above it. Now, anytime we're above it, Dogecoin seems to be bullish on an uptrend. Like I mentioned in my video yesterday, guys, what I said was that, hold on, bear with me here. Okay, so now this line here is our resistance at 19 cents, right? And 17 cents is our support, guys. And that is exactly where this moving average is basically running out, is at right now. So, granted, this is the 4-hour time frame. So we broke resistance right here, right? We came back down. We tested it. You can't see it because of my squigglies, but we came down. We tested this 180 moving average, and we bounced all the way to the upside, right? We broke resistance, consolidated, and then we got rejected, guys, and we came down. As you can see, we're kind of on a downtrend for now. So it wouldn't surprise me if we do something like this, come down right here, right, which is where our moving average is, and retest it, and hopefully, obviously, it'll maintain and hold and bounce and shoot back up, retest the level of resistance at 17 cents and break through it and continue to push to the upside. I can see that happening, right? Probably within the next week or so. But I'll say within the next week. Now, granted, this is just my opinion. Who am I? I'm nobody on YouTube, right? Just some random guy just talking to you about Dogecoin. But you know, I mean, we could, you know, dip below it and continue to go to the downside and make this moving average into resistance once again. But I don't think that that's going to happen. We have a lot of positive momentum going. There's a lot of positive catalysts coming for us in this in 2022 and beyond, right? We have the Giga Wallet, the staking, you know what I mean? So many positive things that I can go on and on about that I'm not going to. All right, guys, so I just wanted to briefly show you on this 4-hour time frame, right, what was going on, right? That we could possibly, like I said, come down, retest it, right? Because we are kind of in a downtrend, right? Since we hit about what 21 cents. Right now we're gradually working our way down. So it won't surprise me if we test this 180-day moving average, bounce off of it, and shoot back to the upside and test resistance again. But hopefully this time break through it. All right, now mind you, that's on the 4-hour time frame, okay, guys? So now let's go to the daily real quick. Let me get rid of all this riffraff here. Excuse me. Sorry, guys, bear with me here. Let me get rid of all this. Okay, guys, so now we're on the daily time frame. Right now I busted out the Bollinger Band, and I have two moving averages out right now. I have the 50-day moving average and the 21-day moving average. Now resistance, guys, is on this upper Bollinger Band, which is coming in at 19 cents, right? That's our resistance. Now if you can see right now, this red moving average is the 50-day moving average. And what do you see right here, guys? We're testing that 50-day moving average, right? We're resting right on it, right? We're testing it as support. Now, granted, you see, we 1, 2, 3, 4 days ago, right? We tested that 50-day moving average and we broke through it, right? That's when we were having that bullish momentum because we broke the 21-day moving average and the 50-day average both in the same day, right? Which is extremely bullish. That's crazy mad bullish volume, right? Pushing the price up, right? We went all the way up. We wicked up to about 21 cents, as you can see on the chart here. But as you can see, as of right now, guys, we tested this 50-day moving average yesterday, right? We bounced off of it. We are testing it again today. Now, obviously, our daily candle hasn't completely formed, but nonetheless, we are resting right on this 50-day moving average, seeing if it's going to hold as support. Granted, guys, this middle Bollinger Band here, right, is the moving average, and that is the 21-day moving average. In my opinion, that's where support is at right now, is at 17 cents, right? Because this 50-day moving average is coming in at 0.175, right? So I think, I mean, obviously, if we break below this 50-day moving average, then this 50-day moving average will become our resistance, right? And not this upper Bollinger Band at 19 cents. But we got to see how the day plays out and see what goes from there. But like I said, nonetheless, looks like we are testing support on the 50-day moving average, and it's doing what it's supposed to and acting as a support for now, right, guys? So, all right, guys. So, like I said, 17 cents for now is support, and 19 cents, this upper Bollinger Band, is resistance, and unless something changes. But we'll see tomorrow what the charts look like on the daily. All right, guys. Now, that's just what I had as far as the charts go. Any questions, please feel free to let me know down in the comments. All right, now let's dive into some Doge news. Now it says Dogecoin price on verge of explosion, ranks among cryptocurrencies accumulated by whales. Granted, guys, this article is from a couple days ago, right, guys? Now it says Dogecoin from 2 days ago. Okay, so it says Dogecoin is back on the list of popular cryptocurrencies owned by top 1,000 whales on the Binance Smart Chain in an over excuse me. Now it says Dogecoin's price dropped over 75% from its all-time high of May 2021. Now, guys, what was I going to tell you guys? Oh yeah, we're still up 1,900% for the year, right? If you would have invested back in January 2021 and held till now, you would still be up a whopping 1,900%, right? Do the math. If you invested $1,000, you would still be in profit, regardless of coming down 75%. Now it says, despite a consistent drop in price, the meme coin has witnessed a spike in the on-chain activity. Prominent noted a spike in Dogecoin transactions, active activity by large wallet investors. Like I had told you guys, I had made about 2 videos, right? Or 3 videos actually talking about this, right? From January 1st till about January, basically the first 2 weeks of January, guys, we had over $1.2 billion worth of Dogecoin shuffled in between wallets, right, guys? Now, when there is massive, well, a lot of transactions on the chain, on the Doge blockchain. It helps as act as a positive catalyst for the price of Doge, right? It wasn't just Elon accepting Doge for merchants, right? It was this on-chain activity as well from the whales. Now it says the meme coin is back on the list on the top cryptocurrency owned by whales on the Binance Smart Chain. Large whale investors on the BS network hold Dogecoin among other top cryptocurrencies in their portfolio. Now it says the transaction activity on the Dogecoin network increased alongside a spike in the meme coin's price, right, guys? So that's why, you know what I mean? I wanted to point out, guys, that it wasn't just because of Tesla. Yes, that was a extremely positive catalyst for the price of Doge, but that wasn't the only reason why. But and also I'm pointing this stuff out, guys, because there's a lot of positive momentum surrounding Doge once again. Now it says meme coin markets gained close to 5% in 24 hours. Dogecoin's value jumps. 3 meme tokens see triple-digit gains. Now it says the top meme tokens by market capitalization have increased in value by 4.4% in the last 24 hours, according to statistics. Dogecoin had a good week, jumping more than 20% during the last 7 days. However, 14 meme coins tokens surpassed Dogecoin's weekly jump, as a few tokens have seen triple-digit spikes over the last week. You know what I mean? That's all good, fun, and dandy, guys, but who is the triple OG meme coin? Dogecoin. Can't nobody take that from it. Now it says after the electric car company Tesla announced the firm would be accepting Dogecoin payments, the meme crypto spiked in value almost immediately. At the time of writing, metrics show that Doge has gained 20.3% over the last week. So we had a very good week, guys. It's been quite some time since we had a good week like this, right? Now, since data shows Doge has seen a 24-hour price range of around 18 to 19 cents per unit on January 15th. Doge has an overall market cap valuation of $24.8 billion, the representation 1.13% of the 2.2 trillion crypto economy. So, guys, Dogecoin makes up 1% of the overall crypto market cap. That is saying something for a coin that was a meme coin and was a joke and was supposed to be nothing, was supposed to come about it, right? 1%. That is a huge accomplishment that us as Doge community, as Doge hodlers, as Doge army should be proud of, right? Super proud of. All right, guys. Now that's all I had as far as oh, this was my last Doge article right here, guys. Thank you if you're still with me. I know I can ramble on forever. It now says Shiba, Doge, ETH become most popular coins among people in the United States. Now it says while NFTs drove a humongous amount of attention to the top industry from individuals who had not previously considered themselves interested in crypto meme tokens like Shiba and Doge and other small assets, become extremely popular among veteran investors, industry investors. Now, Shiba Inu was one of the most rapidly growing community. Okay, anyways, right, guys. So, it just goes to show, right, guys, obviously that Doge, Shiba were the most talked about cryptos. Now, this is what I really wanted to point out, right, guys? Now, this is people talking about when they ask people about crypto. Look at this, guys. There's still 30 out of 100%, right? 35% not very knowledgeable, 28.7 somewhat knowledgeable, not knowledgeable about at all, right? 8% very knowledgeable, 10% and knowledgeable 17%. So people that are extremely knowledgeable is 10% out of 100%, right, guys? So the point I'm trying to point out right here is that there's still a lot of work to be done for awareness as far as cryptocurrency goes, such as Dogecoin and Shiba and Bitcoin, right? That is our duty, right? That's why I made this channel, to help bring awareness of cryptocurrencies and how we can possibly become crypto millionaires. And we are still very early to the crypto party, right? That's what I wanted to point this out, guys. So, you know what I mean? Do me a favor. Smash the likes. Help me with the YouTube algo. Become subscribers if you're not. Hit that notification bell. Turn it on to all so you can come be notified when I come through with developing and breaking news, guys. All right, guys. Now, I'm going to read. That was all I had as far as Dogecoin articles go, guys. Now, let's get into some overall crypto news. Now, it says UFC heavyweight champion considers accepting 50% of his next fight purse in Bitcoin, right, guys? Now, I'm not going to read the article. I just wanted to point this out. Why? Because this is important, right, guys? It goes to show adoption, how people in the sports sector, such as UFC, baseball, football, hockey, all these people are starting to jump on the crypto wagon and want to get paid in crypto. Why? Because they see that it's the beginning stages and there's plenty of money to be made. Not just that, they're helping with adoption, right? For people that have the fears of crypto and so on and so forth, right? So this is really huge, right? People using their platform, right? Such as a professional UFC fighter coming out and saying that, hey, I'm gonna accept half my fight in crypto. Oh man, my article closed out here. All right, guys, I got one more article. Where is it at here? Where is it at? Oh, right here, guys. Here's my last article. Thank you if you're still with me, man. Hopefully you're having a wonderfully blessed Sunday. Now it says these upcoming crypto milestones could trigger a massive rally for Solana, Dogecoin, and 3 altcoins, says Coin Bureau. Now what's funny is, guys, now that Dogecoin, had a good week, pumped, you know what I mean, up to 20 some cent, 21 cents. There is a lot of articles coming out now about Dogecoin in a positive matter, and more positive than negative. Yes, there's some negative stuff out there still. There's always going to be haters, right, guys? But for a while there wasn't a whole lot of articles, a lot of uh, news coming out about Dogecoin. Why? Because none of these people writing articles wanted to write anything about Doge because it wasn't exciting, it wasn't pumping, it wasn't, you know what I mean? So it's just funny how the sentiment changes within a blink of an eye, right? All right, now where are we at? I'm looking for here. Now it says Guy tells his 1.87 million YouTube subscribers that he is unconvinced that the bull market is over, and he thinks there are upcoming crypto milestones that could be a catalyst for a massive reversal. Look at that, guys. 1.8 million people on his YouTube channel, right? Subscribers. I wish I had that many. One of these days, right, guys? Now it says next up is Dogecoin. According to Guy, 2 upcoming Dogecoin milestones could generate hype that could boost the Doge theme crypto asset. The 2 milestones are launching a Giga Wallet, a back-end service aiming to facilitate the use of Dogecoin for payment by enterprises. Another milestone is the launch of a software developer kit that will allow developers to build new Dogecoin related products. It says even though it is unlikely that these upgrades will have any direct effect on the price of Doge in the short term, the hype alone will probably be enough to make price pump. Now, exactly, guys. Now, this is just 2 of the 8 projects that is in the Doge roadmap, right? That's not including the ETH and Doge bridge, right, to help with NFTs to be minted on the Doge blockchain. There's just a lot of positive catalysts for Doge, right? And he just pointed out 2 that could act as a positive catalyst to push the price of Doge up here in 2022 and beyond. All right, guys, this is what I had for you on Sunday. Thank you for with me. I know it's kind of long. Stay blessed and stay safe until tomorrow. Till tomorrow, your boy Jaime G is out. Peace.